Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the vertex of a quadratic function. The vertex is the highest or lowest point on a parabola, depending on whether it opens up or down, and it is also the turning point. In this case, the vertex is the highest point on the parabola. How to find the vertex? You'll find the x and y coordinates of the vertex if you follow these steps. Step 1 is to identify a and b from the general form of a quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Step 2 is to substitute a and b into the formula x equals minus b over 2a. Then we find the x-coordinate. Step 3 is to evaluate f of minus b over 2a. Let's apply the steps to an example. This is a quadratic function in its general form. F of x equals negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. First, we identify a and b. A is the first coefficient, so in this case it is negative 1, and b is 2. Then we find the x-coordinate by substituting a and b into x equals minus b over 2a. X equals minus b over 2a. Then we get minus 2 over 2 times negative 1. And the answer is 1. So this is the x-coordinate. Then we find the y-coordinate by evaluating f of 1, because 1 is minus b over 2a. Then we get minus 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 3, and we get 4. This is the y-coordinate. So the coordinates of the vertex is 1, 4. We find this point here. Here x is 1 and y is 4.